Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate CGST, SGST and IGST in Excel. So let's start. Here you can see I have data, invoice number, customer state, taxable value and GST rate. So here I'm going to calculate for CGST and SGST. Okay, then IGST. So CGST and SGST is calculated for same state, and if your invoice for different state, so you can charge IGST. So here you can see in customer state, the Maharashtra is the same state and other is a different state. Okay. So for Maharashtra GST rate is 18%. So here calculate CGST and IGST 99%. So select the sale is equal to, select the taxable value and then add here the asterisk sign and select the 9 and add the percentage sign and press the enter. Same as in IGST also is equal to, select the taxable value, add the asterisk sign, 9% as GST rate. Okay. And in IGST is 0. In Gujarat state, total IGST will 18% charge. So select the taxable value, then add here the asterisk sign, select the 80% and press the enter. Okay. In Maharashtra state, again the 99% charge. So I select the both sale and paste here. You can see the formula is placed. So 30,000, 9% value is 2,700, 2,700. The next invoice is Karnataka, the different state invoice. So here I charge the IGST, select the taxable value, add the asterisk sign and type here 18%, press the enter. Okay. And next is the Maharashtra, same as CGST, SGST 99%. Okay. And next is the Delhi. And here I'm going to charge the IGST for different state. Okay. And the next here, I'm going to calculate total tax. Okay. So select the cell is equal to, select the CGST plus SGST plus IGST. Okay. Then select the cell, double click on this corner point to field below cell. And you can see the total tax of every invoice. You can check here. So that's it. So this is a way you can calculate GST on multiple state in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.